Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Chromecast devices, that frustrating blinking orange light. If your Chromecast is flashing orange and refusing to connect, you're not alone. This often signals a setup glitch, Wi-Fi problem, or even a simple restart fix. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to get it sorted out quickly. First things first, let's understand what's happening. The orange light typically means your Chromecast is trying to connect to your network or is in setup mode, but something's blocking it. This could be due to outdated firmware, network interference, or even a minor glitch from the 2025 updates. Alright, let's jump into the fixes. Step 1. Start with the basics. Unplug your Chromecast from the power source, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple restart often resolves temporary issues and might stop the blinking right away. Give it a minute to boot up and see if the light turns white, indicating it's connected. If it's still orange, move to step 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your router is on, your internet is stable, and that your Chromecast is within range. Aim for less than 10 feet from your router to avoid signal drops. Also, restart your router if needed to clear any network hiccups. Now, for step 3. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't already, ensure the app is updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Go to the Devices section, select your Chromecast, and try resetting it from within the app. This can help re-establish the connection. If that doesn't work, it's time for step 4. Perform a factory reset. To do this, hold down the button on the back of your Chromecast for about 25 seconds until it flashes. This will erase all settings and start fresh, but remember to set it up again afterward. Finally, if none of these steps fix the issue, double-check for any firmware updates in the Google Home app or consider contacting Google support. They're usually quick to help. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, your Chromecast should be blinking orange no more. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other device troubles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.